Yeah, sure. So we'll do today in areas related to circles, children. In areas related to circles. All the wheels of children, wheel, a wheel of diameter so and so, etc., etc. Okay, first question, children. If you know, you tell, or else I will discuss, children. A bicycle makes 5,000 revolutions. A bicycle makes 5,000 revolutions. A bicycle wheel makes 5,000 revolutions in moving 11 kilometers. In moving 11 kilometers. Question is, find the diameter of the wheel. This is the question. Children, wheel in one rotation, how much distance it will go? Children, wheel in one rotation?
Yeah.
Yeah, any wheel, children, any wheel in one rotation, it will cover a distance of 2 pi r. A wheel in one rotation, it will cover a distance of 2 pi r. Wheel in one rotation, it will cover a distance of 2 pi r. So, children, he's saying for uh, children, normally we know one rotation, it will go a distance of 2 pi r. We know for one rotation, it will go a distance of 2 pi r. So, now the question comes, for 5,000 rotations, it went 11 kilometers. He only said it went 11 kilometers. Let's cross multiply, children. You'll get the radius, and then if you get the radius, that is the diameter. One rotation, any wheel will cover a distance of 2 pi r. One rotation, 2 pi r. One rotation, 2 pi r. So cross multiplication, children. 1 into 11 kilometers is equal to 5,000 into 2 pi r. Okay, so 11 kilometers means how many centimeters, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 11 lakh centimeters. 1 kilometer is 1 lakh centimeters, children. 1 kilometer is 1 lakh centimeters. So 5,000 into 2 into 22 by 7 into R. Okay, so three zeros cancel, children. Please check here, children. 11 twos are 22, children. See here. So 7 will go up 700 is equal to 5 twos are 10, 10 twos are 20. 20 into R, children. 20 goes down. R is equal to 700 by 20, children. So radius is equal to 35 centimeters. If radius is 35 centimeters, diameter of the ring is 70 centimeters. This is how we have to proceed towards the sum. Okay, this is important equation. One rotation is going 2 pi r means how many rotations it will cover? 11 kilometers. One rotation is going 2 pi r means how many rotations it will cover? 2 pi r. One rotation means this much means how many rotations it is going to 2 pi r. Like that we have. Like this only we will do, children, all sums for second sum. Second. A wheel has diameter 84 centimeters. A wheel has diameter 84 centimeters. Okay, and find how many revolutions must it has to take. How many revolutions must it has to take so that it covers a distance of 792 meters. Diameter is 84. So it covers a distance of 792 meters. So children, how many rotations it is making? Same, children, everywhere same. What is that? One rotation is equal to 2 pi r. One rotation is equal to 2 pi r. How many rotations is equal to 792 meters? In how many rotations it covered 792 meters? One rotation is 2 pi r. How many rotations is 792? One rotation is 2 pi r. How many rotations is 792? Okay, children, cross multiplication. 1 into 792 is equal to x into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 84. Radius is 84 by 2, 42. 7 6 are 42, children. We have to find out x, children. X means number of rotations. X is equal to 792 by 2 into 22 into 6. 11 twos are 11 sevens are 11 twos are 236 are 6 6 are 2 threes are. So children, it covers 3 rotations. In 3 rotations, it covers 792 meters. In 3 rotations, it covers 792 meters. Okay, children, in 3 rotations, it covers 792 meters. Same like this, only one more question. Okay. A boy is cycling at the speed of 140 revolutions per minute. A boy is cycling at the speed of 140 revolutions per minute. 140 revolutions per minute. If the diameter of the wheel is 60 centimeters, if the diameter of the wheel is 60 centimeters, if the diameter of the wheel is 60 centimeters, calculate the speed per hour. What is the speed of that boy? Means he want to answer in kilometer per hour. Okay, children. So one rotation, a person will go 2 pi r. 140 rotations, how much distance he will go? Let's see. One rotation, a person will go 2 pi r. 140 rotations, how much distance he will go? Please see here, children. So 1 into x is equal to 140 into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is how much, children? 30. Okay, children. So 720 So x is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 is the 12, 12 to the 24, 12 to the 24, 26, 26400 centimeters. Okay, how to convert centimeters to kilometers, children? By 1 lakh. Centimeters to kilometers by 1 lakh, children. So, please see here, children. How much we got distance, children? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 to 24, 12 to 24, 25, 26, 0, 26400 centimeters, children.
0.264 kilometers.
So, he want answer in kilometers per hour. He want answer in kilometers per hour, children. Please see here, all of you. He want answer in kilometers per hour. 26400 centimeters to kilometers is by 1 lakh. Now time. In 1 minute it said. How to convert 1 minute to hours, children? How to convert
By 60.
by 60, children?
60.
1 minute to hour is by 60. 1 by 60. 1 minute, children. How to convert 1 minute to hours? By 60. By 60 will go up, children. So zeros, 3 zeros cancel, children. So 3 zeros cancel. 6 fours 24, 6 6 36 37 38, 6 2 12 15, 1584 by 100, 15.84 kmph is the speed of this boy. The speed of this boy is 15.84 kmph. Okay, children. Procedure everywhere and following the same procedure, children. Everywhere. One rotation is 2 pi r. How many rotations is per dash kilometers? That only I followed this. Here also I followed that only. Here also I followed that. In future comes also I follow that only. If you know one rotation is 2 pi r, how many rotations is equal to how much distance? One rotation is equal to 2 pi r. How many rotations is equal to how much distance? Next question, children. Yeah. The diameter of wheel is 140 centimeters. The diameter of the wheel is 140 centimeters. The diameter of the wheel is 140 centimeters. How many revolutions per minute? How many revolutions per minute must the wheel has to order to keep a speed of 66 kmph? To go at 66 kmph, how many rotations it has to make? Okay, children. So distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. How many revolutions per minute is it? How many revolutions per minute? So distance is equal to speed is how much, children? 66 kmph. Time is 1 minute. How to convert 1 minute to hours, children? By 60. 1 minute to hours by 60. So 1.1 kilometers, children. The distance is going is 1.1 kilometers. So one rotation is equal to 2 pi r. How many rotations is equal to covers 1.1 kilometers? One rotation is equal to 2 pi r. How many rotations will cover 1.1 kilometers? One rotation is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 70 centimeters. Then how many rotations will cover? Children, 1.1 kilometers to convert into centimeters into 1 lakh. 1.1 kilometers to centimeters is into 1 lakh, children. So 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters. Now let's do cross multiplication for this, children. You can answer this into this. X into 2 into 22 by 7 into 70 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, children. So 7 tens are 70. This gone, children. So x is equal to 11,000 by 2 into 22. This 22 will go down, children. So 11 twos are 22, 2 fives are 10, 2 fives are 10, 5 fives are 25, children. 250 rotations it has to make. 250 rotations it has to make to keep this distance. 250 rotations per minute. 250 rotations per minute it has to keep to maintain this distance. 250 rotations per minute it has to maintain to maintain the speed, children, to maintain this speed. Like this one, children. All questions are like that one, children. One, a car has wheel of diameter 80 centimeters. This is your textbook sum, children. 80 centimeters. How many revolutions per due to which it has to take in 10 minutes. It has to make in 10 minutes so that it covers a speed of 66 km/h. So same children again find distance. Children distance is equal to speed into time. 66 into how to convert minutes to hours children by 16. Minutes to hours how children by 16. So 11 kilometers is there children. 11 kilometers. Okay. So one rotation is equal to how much children? One rotation it will cover how much distance? 2 pi r. One rotation is 2 pi r. How many rotations is equal to 11 kilometers? One rotation is 2 pi r. How many rotations is equal to 11 kilometers? So 1 into 11 kilometers is 11 lakhs. 11 kilometers is 11 lakhs. X into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 40. So we have to find out number of rotations per 10 minutes to keep this much speed. So X is equal to 11 lakhs kilometers to centimeters, 11 lakhs children. Okay, into 7 by 2 into 22 into 40. This is here children 2 into 22 into 40. 11 twos are this gone children. 425 are 425 are 625 into 7. 625 into 7 is over children 7 5 is 35 7 is 40 7 is 42. 4375 rotations it has to make in 10 minutes. 4375 rotations it has to make in 10 minutes to keep up the speed and cover the 11 kilometers distance. Find the number of revolutions made by a circular wheel of area 1.44. A circular wheel of area 1.54 centimeters square in rolling a distance of 176 meters. In rolling a distance of 176 meters. So children, from area we should find out radius. From area we should find out radius. Then we can find out the number of rotations. Okay, find the number of rotations. You have to find the number of rotations. Okay. Grishma, you tell us some. From area, you have to find out radius.
Yes, sir. Area equals to pi r square. 1.54 equals to 22 by 7 into r square.
If you remove 0.100.
22 7 the 7 7 r square equals to 7 square by 10 square. 7 by 10 that is 0.7 centimeters.
Okay. Now one rotation is equal to?
One rotation equals to 2 pi r.
How many rotations?
X equals to 0.7 176 meters. 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7.
Okay. How many rotations?
X equals to 176 into
centimeters. 176 centimeters.
Yes, sir.
Cross multiplication. So this is this.
17600 into 1 equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 10 into x.
Okay, 7 cancel. So 10 will go up, 2 and 22 will come down.
17600 into 10 by 2 into 22.
22 exact. 2 4.
2 fours are 4000 revolutions.
4000 revolutions it has to make. So to cover this many meters, 4000 revolutions it has to make. Okay, so next. All are same variable sums. Everything is the same variable sums. So just other variable. That's all. Children, there is a tractor in there, children. The diameters of front and rear wheels are 80 centimeters and 2 meters. Children, front wheel is 80 centimeters, rear wheel is 2 meters. This is 80 centimeters and rear wheel is 200 centimeters. 2 meters means 400 centimeters. Find the number of revolutions that rear wheel must make in covering a distance which front wheel is covering 1400. In 1400 revolutions of front wheel, how much rotations back wheel will make? In 1400 revolutions of front wheel, how much revolutions back wheel will make? In 1400 revolutions of front wheel, how much revolutions will the back wheel make? Okay, children? How to do this answer? In 1400 revolutions, how much distance it will go? You have to find out. Same distance here, you have to substitute and you have to find rotations. That's all. Okay, children? So in 1400 revolutions, how much distance it is going? Krishna Satvika, will you tell Krishna Satvika? One rotation is equal to 2 pi r children. This is one rotation is equal to 2 pi r. 1400 rotations is equal to how much? Okay, children, that distance here you have to find out. Substitute here because both the wheels will go same distance, no children, because it is attached to the same factor. So x is equal to this goes here, 2 into 22 by 7 into 40 into 1400. How much it is coming, children? So x is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 16 to the 32, 152, 123 centimeters. It is going 152,000 centimeters. This is going 152,000 centimeters. Now back wheel. One rotation is equal to 2 pi r. How many rotations is equal to 152,000 centimeters? That's it. So cross multiplication 1 into 152,000 is equal to x into 2 into 22 by 7 into 200. Okay, children. So x is equal to 152,000 into 7 by 2 into 22 into 200. Okay, children. This two zeros cancels. So 1 second. Children.
So isn't the diameter 100?
Sir?
Here.
Sir, that is
No, the radius is
352,000, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 352 only, sir.
350.
So isn't the radius 100 centimeters?
I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. So 11 twos are 11 threes are 33, 11 twos are 0 sir. 2 160s are 2 80s are 2 40s are 47s are 280 centimeters. Is the rate rotations. Sorry, 280 rotations has to be. Children, if front wheel is moving 1400 revolutions, back wheel will make 280 revolutions. If front wheel is making 1400 revolutions, back wheel will make a 280 revolutions because it is big enough.
Sir, 140 no, sir. By 2 we should do no, sir.
Why by 2 now? Where is by
You
2?
took
So the
diameter.
radius is 100
You took directly
centimeters. The
diameter,
diameter
no,
is 200.
I took diameter directly.
Yes, sir. Once do by 2, sir, you'll get.
Okay, okay. I'm sorry, children. I took 200. So by 2 you will do. So 140. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, children, I took diameter directly. So 140 revolutions. If front wheel is making 1400 revolutions, back wheel will make just 140 revolutions. Second. But both of them will cover the same distance. That is how much, children? 352 meters. 352 meters, like that you have to do, children. Hope you are able to understand. Is this fine, children? So these are the questions which are there, children, on wheels, children.